Good morning, everybody. Hello. I raised your kid. That is the parent of my crow. The crow that I healed, or helped heal. That's most definitely the... Alright, looks like the ducks are not gonna get anything today. Like shit. So, let's play fetch. So the birds already know what's up. I think this is the third day I'm doing this. So they know when I sit down and I have bread, we're gonna have fun. And it's basically who gets it. So much fun when they catch it in the air on low altitude. And then when they fight over it, it's so much fun. Alright, let's play fetch, guys. Who wants it? Well, this is gonna be my day. Gonna go through several parks, play fetch with the birds. It's not a bad Saturday. And the best part is you stop feeding. Like you feed a little bit, you stop, and then you watch. And then you start to watch the social interaction, who is claiming territory, who wants it more. They only go for the oats if nothing else is. Especially the seagulls and the hettemova. The hood seagulls. These are hood seagulls. This is probably a male and this is probably a female on the color. I don't know, or maybe this is just a teenager. I don't know. Who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? Alright, I am heading to spot number 2. I went and refilled on bread and oats. Now I just gotta find a good spot. Do I go over there? Do I go over here? Let's see. What's up, guys? You hungry? I got some food, but I need to be able to sit in a cool area. I'm gonna take my time. It's a cool place. You can sit on the trees, throw stuff out and have them come to me. Oh, looks like somebody was dinner yesterday. Somebody was food. There are the ducks. Right, I should have brought my fucking chair. Maybe I should go and get it. Well, this spot is as good as any. Crazy motherfuckers. Who catches it in the air? And who waits for it?